Pleasure to be here. Uh, First, let me introduce myself. My name is Pangunawati Rahajang. I'm from School of Pharmacy, Universitas Muhammadiyah Yogyakarta. In this time, I want to present my community service with the title Improving Mental Health in Muhammadiyah Cadres. My community service team are my partner, Suryati Wahyu. She is a chairman of the Institute for the Environment and Disaster Management, Asia Yogyakarta Regional, with the member of my community service consists of lecturers, laboratory assistants, and students. The lecturers are Nurul Majia from School of Pharmacy, Faculty of Medicine and Health Sciences, Universitas Muhammadiyah Yogyakarta, and Woro Supatmi from Faculty of Pharmacy, Universitas Ahmad Dahlan. The laboratory assistants are Selmi Dwi Novita and Satria Amorwa Wijaya, and the students involved in community service are Dianing Aulia Puspitasari and Naufal Nugraha. We carry out this community service because we are concerned about the increase of mental disorder or mental health cases. Data from Riskesdas 2018 shown that the incidence of depression is 6.1% and mental disorder is 9.8% in people aged over 15 years. As we know, in the last few years in Indonesia, there are so many news of incidents, suicide incidents, which has become spread in social media. The increasing incidence of suicide among students is almost all in the universities in Indonesia. According to the data of National Institute of Mental Health, in the 15 to 25 years age group, Killtep ranks third in cases of death in America with the prevalence of 220 per 100,000 population. The target of our service are students who are members of the Muhammadiyah Cardio-Dental Student Association that are consisting of students from the from Faculty of Medicine and Health Sciences and Faculty of Dentistry. The reason for inviting these students is because the students are that generation who are growing up with all their problems. For the method, we use 5 steps for our community service. The first step is pre-test. The pre-test is to determine and assess the mental health of Muhammadiyah Student Association using mental health continuum short form MHJSF questionnaire. Then we do some training for AMM cadre with the education about mental disorder, education about the drug that involved in therapy in mental disorder. After training, we do post-test with MHCSF questionnaire. Then we do the data analysis in the mental health data about the assessed mental health for AMM cadres. And then in the following month, we have a program assistant was carried out after the first training, including assistance in preparing AMM work programs related to mental health. This is the mental health continuum short form. There consists of 14 questionnaires that can be easy for AMM cadre. There consists of social contribution, social integration, that feeling AMM cadre feeling about their life, and some other questionnaire about personal growth, autonomy, and purpose of life. The results of the community service, about 40 EMM cardiodental cadets involved in the community service. Before service, they fill out the MECSF questionnaire to assess and evaluate mental health condition. In general, the participant mental health condition was excellent. They often filled the things asked in the questionnaire, the answer often, in the answer that many students think. EMM members are students who are active in activities outside academic channels. The average age of participants is 19 years, with 13 male students and 27 female students. In this activity, participants are encouraged to care more about themselves and their surroundings, especially their friends who appear inactive and quiet or who are hyperactive. Students are very enthusiastic about taking part of this community service because they understand the type of mental disorder and their medication. This understanding becomes a provision for them to socialize with friends outside of EMM members and make them more concerned about their surroundings. The conclusion of my community service: EMM cardiodental cadres generally have good mental health. What needs to be improved is concern to the surrounding environment. Thank you for this for all, and if you want to see the video is here.
Mengucapkan terima kasih kepada teman-teman IMM PKW yang dan yang terakhir perlu serta bersama. Yang terhormati, memasuki akhir yang pertama dari pembukaan, marilah kita mulai acara pada hari dengan bacaan bersama-sama. Kalau kita tuh ada hormon atau namanya neurotransmitter ya, jadi ada energi negatif yang dia keluarkan itu terserap sama tubuh kita jadi kecapean. Kadang dia lagi emosi, kita ikutan emosi, dia sedih, kita ikutan sedih. Nah, kita kan harus aware. Kadang itu juga mengganggu kita gitu. Nah, gimana biar kita itu bisa mengontrol diri kita, mengontrol energi yang masuk